Morning. Let me make you a cup of coffee. I want to show you what I got for Christmas from the Hubs. Da 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 da! It is a milk frother. So I've already brewed the coffee because I wanted to show you how I make my coffee with my new milk frother. I'm so stoked. So what I do is I'm pretty basic. I actually super like vanilla creamers. Eggnog is my favorite creamer, but you only get it one time of the year, and that time is over. So one thing I lament about December ending. So I just use brown sugar, but you can use whatever you want. You can use a spaghetti jar. Don't judge. I like the way it looks, and it's great for this demonstration. Or you can use your favorite mug. I super like milk. It is my favorite food group. I'm waiting for my milk cow era of life. I can feel it coming. Milk cows and a bison ranch. Those are my goals. And look at this. You get frothy, delicious, Starbucks-looking milk for like a $13 device that your husband gets you for Christmas. If your husband didn't get it for Christmas, you buy it yourself because it's going to pay itself off within the week if you are used to buying coffee in the drive-through lines. For real, look. Oh, I did it too much. It's delicious. And look at that. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Use your favorite coffee mug, make your own coffee at home. Because honestly, if you're in the red, I'm not like being mean or calling you out. But if you have debt, you should never find yourself in the coffee line, okay? Because it's too expensive when you have options to make amazing looking coffee drinks at home. So good. For real. Simple baby steps like that, drinking more coffee at home instead of the coffee line, add up to big savings. For real. I love you. We got this. Let's go.